Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to create a bold lip look which is perfect for monsoon, winter and fall season. So without talking too much, let's get started. So I have washed my face and applied Pond's oil free moisturizer and also applied some baby lips onto my lips. Next I am going to prime my face. I am using Swiss Beauty makeup fixer as a primer. I am letting this to sit on my face for a while to let it absorb into the skin. This will help the makeup to last longer. Now I am going to apply some foundation. I am taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. I am first taking it onto my palm and then dot it all over my face and neck using my finger. I am going to blend the foundation with the wet beauty blender. Beauty blender gives such a natural finish to the base. Next I am going to apply some concealer. I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural, which is a brightening shade for my skin. I am applying concealer underneath my eyes, onto the bridge of my nose and on the chin. Then I am blending the concealer with the same beauty blender. I am blending the concealer really well and also applying the same concealer onto the lid. Next I am taking the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and applying it all over my face. I am applying compact powder all over my face as my face is really oily, and if you have dry skin you can apply the compact powder on the areas where you have applied the concealer. I am also applying some compact powder onto my neck. Next I am going to bronze my face. I am using Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade 01 Top Topper. I am taking the bronzer onto the brush and using it on the usual parts. I am also applying some on the upper part of my forehead. I am not contouring my face. Sorry, my nose. I am also applying the bronzer along the jawline. Next I am going to fill my eyebrows. I am using the eyebrow pencil to fill my eyebrows. And with the little stroke I am filling the eyebrows. Now I am taking Makeup Revolution soap palette, and from this palette I am taking the pinkish kind of shade, which is this and applying this as a blush. I am not going to go heavy with the blush as my lips would be very bold. I'm blending the color away with my finger. Next I'm going to take this light brown color and using it onto my crease. I'm taking very little amount of it and I am blending it onto the crease in the circular motion. I'm going to do the same thing onto the other eye and blending that away. Next I am going to take the peachy shade here in the same palette and applying it onto the eyelids. I am taking the same peachy kind of shade and applying it on the lower lash line. I am also blending all the colors together as I am going. Next I am taking a shimmer shade from the same palette and applying the shade onto the lid. I am packing the shimmery shade on the peachy shade that I have applied before. Next I am taking the dark brown shade from this palette and applying the color onto the outer V of my eyes. This step will give a definition to the eyes. I am also going to apply the same color along with the lower lash line. And I am blending all the colors together for the final time. Next I am taking Faces Canada Magnetized Kajal and applying it on the upper lash line. Now I am going to take one of the highlighting shade from this palette and applying it on the brow bone and on the inner corner of my eyes. This will highlight those areas. I have applied the same color on the bridge of my nose and the higher point of my cheeks to see if the color can be applied as a highlighter or not. So I must say that this color can definitely be used as a highlighter. Next I am curling my lashes with the eyelash curler, and next after that I am going to apply the mascara. I am using good old Maybelline mascara and applying 2 coats of it. So after applying mascara, I thought that the eyes need some more definition. So I took the same palette and took the black and the dark brown color together and applied the colors onto the lower lash line, and also blending the colors together with the previously added peach color. So the eyes are done now. Next I am taking Swiss Beauty highlighter and applying the highlighter with the help of the same brush which I used to bronze my face. So I have applied highlighter on the higher parts of my cheeks, on the bridge of my nose and on the chin. Now I am to blot off the excess lip balm. Next I am going to line my lips with the lip liner. So for the lipstick, I am using Faces Canada Matte Lip Crayon in the shade 12 Midnight Rose. So guys, this is the final look. I really enjoyed making this video. If you liked this video, please like and share, and please do subscribe to my channel. And for now, bye bye and take care.